In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a long flat shadow effect that is commonly used in modern graphic design. This type of shadow is often used for text, icons, and logos to create a clean flat design look. Let's get started. First, create your text or logo using the text tool. Place it on the screen where you want the effect. Now, select the text layer, go to the effects panel and search for long shadow. Drag and drop the effect onto your text. Next, open the effect controls panel. Here you'll see several settings that control the shadow. Start with the angle option. This controls the direction in which the shadow extends. Adjust the angle so the shadow stretches diagonally across the background. Next, adjust the length value. Increasing the length will extend the shadow much further, which creates the classic long shadow style. Now, change the shadow color. You can use a darker version of the background color or experiment with different colors for creative looks. Next, adjust the shadow opacity. Lower opacity creates a softer shadow, while higher opacity makes the shadow stronger and more visible. If you want to experiment with creative styles, you can simply click the Surprise Me option. Premiere Pro will automatically generate different variations of the shadow effect until you find a style you like, and that's it. You've successfully created a long flat shadow effect using the long shadow effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.